Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with another hair company. Yes, I'm trying out this hair company today. It's Hairvivi, and I must tell you right off the bat, I love the packaging. I love the packaging. The way they put this ball to make it look like a little gift. Really nice. Really nice. So I'll just unravel it like that. Honestly, I don't take a peek inside already still. I just made sure to not pull the bow. So it has the name of the company there, and I like the box. It's very classy looking, classy feel. When I open it, this is how it looks inside. The bag is different, guys. Instead of the bag having the zip on the bottom here, it has it on the side. So it's a kind of like side ziploc bag. Ooh. Honestly, it's the first thing I see. And the hair is inside. Okay. Alright. So the hair already came with the plucking done, which most of them come pre-plucked, yeah? But the baby hairs are already done. Like literally swooped and everything. And it's not overly done. Like that's lit. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at this paper. It's curled, it's swooped in the front. Like when you curl your own hair and you swoop it. Oh, this is very silky. It feels really nice, and honestly not a lot of flyaways. Love the deep parting. As you can see, it's definitely bleached already. Ooh, and they did like the second skin thing with it. That is lit. That is lit. So this portion will make everything look more scalp like. So that's why the inside here looks like that. I love it. And this is the inside construction. Has adjustable straps in the back and has more adjustable straps here. So if you don't want to necessarily use the combs, you don't have to. So this is definitely like a glueless wig. You can just put on and go. And I'm actually going to be wearing this out today. I'm going to a festival. It's Sunday. I'm going to the festival. Yes, so I'm going to be rocking this wig out. So this is kind of like a hair get ready with me. Actually, I don't have to really do much. I'm just gonna pretty much install it and let you guys see. I am not going to pluck it or anything. I got so obsessed with the hair that I almost forgot to show you the rest of what is in the box. So this is the rest of the box. I see this drawstring bag here, and I love this classy blue. It's really nice. It's navy blue. It looks very classy. Okay, so I got a little like souvenir in there. Best gift for you. That's what's on it. And this is a hair flyaway tamer. It looks like a mascara, but it's a tamer. So that's that. That's the box. I got two little clips here to, when you want to section your hair. And I got one more of these combs. I love getting these combs. I will tell you guys. So yeah, that's it for what's in the box. Thank you, Hairvivi. I'm gonna proceed, guys, to slay myself today. Guys, this wig fits so snug. It's actually really good. I adjusted the straps in the back too, but look at this. I forgot to mention to you guys that the lace is HD and it's lit. It's lit. Look at this portion. Looks just like scalp. I didn't have to do anything to it. Came just like this out the packaging. So my aim with this hair is really to do minimal stuff with it initially for this initial install, because I ultimately want to color this hair, but I decided that I want to wear it out in its initial state today. guess you can say I did a little bit of baby hair action. You guys know since recently how I've been loving it with the soft baby hairs, nothing stiff and confined. Very natural makeup, natural. And I'm gonna go with a natural lippy, going in with my my Layla Lashes Baby Matte lipstick here in Trending Topic, which I've been using so much since lately, and my Kat Von D Noble liquid lipstick. And now that it's dried down, just go over top with some clear gloss. This should be a pretty to the point video, not too drawn out or anything. I really love the way the lace melted. Like, look at that. I definitely HD. I can tell you guys this, I definitely prefer HD over most of the other laces like scalp, and I can understand why they call it the fresh relaxer look. This is so nice. Like, I like the way they did the bump in the side here and everything. Can you imagine getting a wig like that's already, like, I'm not like most wigs, yeah, they come in a package where they're already in that form where you can easily just take them out and put them on and it good to go. But this, they definitely prepped it in a way where you can literally just drag it on, cut off the lace and go. I just opted to go ahead and further use adhesive to just let it stay down extremely secure. You know, I can't go to an event with my wig not secure like that. Like, you never know what can happen. But I really love this. I love the naturalness of this wig. It's so natural looking. I'm going to put all the specifications on it down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. If you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so, because it's a gorgeous wig. It's really a gorgeous wig, and you could, it's just because I want to do the baby hair, but as you guys can see, it's, you know, minimal baby hairs that I have going on. You could definitely go ahead and just pull back everything. This is lit. I love this. Hairvivi. Big up on yourself. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be vlogging, so you guys need to go ahead and check out my vlog channel to see what goes down at this festival today. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, go and big up on yourself.